Hey guys, welcome back to Tilly in Tacoma. Today in this episode, we're going to be going over the Nomadix towel. We recently just bought these towels and we are obsessed with them. As you can see, we are here in the beautiful Zion National Park and we've been using these towels for the last 7 days and they smell like we just bought them. And that's phenomenal considering we do not have laundry at the national park. So stay tuned for the rest of this video where we're going to go over in depth why this is the best towel I've ever used.
Welcome to Tilly in Tacoma. If you're new here, I'm Kim and this is Evan, and we are first-time RVers living in a big city. Have you ever considered getting into the RV lifestyle and don't know where to start? Well, you came to the right place, because for the past year, we've proven that you don't need several years of experience or even the space to get started RVing. We post content every Sunday to share stories, advice, and tips to help you get on the road and have a few laughs along the way. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment so we can make Tilly in Tacoma the best first-time RVer community on YouTube.
So this one is the original Nomadix towel. It can absorb 4 times its weight in water and it's 4 times faster drying than the traditional cotton terry towels. This original towel was designed to be so durable and versatile you literally only ever need one. They're super absorbent, they quick dry, they're sand resistant if you want to take it to the beach, and they're pet hair resistant. And fun fact, one original towel equals 30 plastic bottles. These are the original towel. These are bigger than any towel that I've ever really used. I mean, it's kind of like the size of a beach towel. And the best part is that, you know, we only have a 20-foot base camp, so it's super portable. Look how small these towels fold up to. You could roll them. They're super easy to store wherever you want. And I mean, look, that's super easy to store in the base camp. Compared to the original towel, look how bulky this original towel is, terry cloth towel, to the Nomadix towel. I absolutely cannot explain to you enough how these towels have changed our showers, our drying our dishes. They're super great. So we also bought the mini towel and it's not even that mini. I mean, this is still a pretty large towel. We use this mainly for a little bath mat as soon as we get out of the shower, or we also have one that's used for dish drying. They dry super fast. They're super absorbent. I was really scared that these weren't actually going to collect the water after we shower, but they do. Even better so than original towel. So this is the mini. This is the original. Both have these like nice little hooks on. They hang perfectly in our wet bath, so they dry really easy. Also, how great are these prints? They have so many, thousands of designs, but you know, we do tend to love our tropicals, so I usually stick to this one. And also, it's great because your partner can also have an entire different one. That way you're never cross-contaminating your towels, which sounds a little crazy, but it's just so easy to be like, this is his, this is mine. It's perfect. And like I said, they have these perfect little nylon hanging cords so you can just hang them up in your RV, and they dry within like 1 hour. I was shocked that they dry so fast in the shower, but we love them. And again, they do not stink. They smell like we just bought them, and that to me is a win. Go out and buy these right now. Use the link in our description. We will link them in the video. We'll link them in the description. Click those links, buy these towels. I swear to you, you will never buy another RV towel. Who wants to put this in their camper? I'm gonna show you what this originally looks like in our storage because we have no room really for towels. So I'm gonna show you another reason why to get this towel. This is what our traditional towel drawer looks like. As you can see, not much room in here. This is, you know, super plush towels, and like that's what we thought was the most absorbent. These take forever to dry once they're wet. I'm sure if you're an RV owner, you know exactly what I'm talking about. They also stink like mildew after just a couple days. So this is what our before towel situation looks like in the base camp. Super hard to even get all that crap in there. And now let me show you what it looks like with just the Nomadix towels. Now this is after we're just using the Nomadix towels. Look at this. Look at all of this space that we could fill with even more towels. But the whole point of owning these towels is that you don't need to have multiple. We don't need 6 towels for 2 people. This lasts like literally, I don't even know the duration of time, but we've been here 7 days, 14 showers, and they're still super clean. So like all of this room that we can store other RV items instead of just having a whole thing full of towels. And one of the best things is that they have these nylon straps right here, so they're super easy to hang. Look how great this looks. I'm just gonna move out of the frame and you can literally see like takes up no space. They're super slim, but like the best thing is that they are super absorbent. We cannot rave enough about these towels. This is not sponsored. We don't work for Nomadix. We've seen these for like the last year, and we thought, we have towels at home. Like how life-changing could buying these towels, because they are a little bit pricey, much pricier than a regular like terry cloth towel, but it is so worth it. Like I said, like the sniff test, just do it. It is phenomenal. Like, I know that you're having struggles finding a towel for your RV or for camping or the beach. Use the links in our description, go buy them, and just save yourself a ton of time and hassle. All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this super short video. We just literally had to come on here and show you what's been working from our 7-day national park trip, which that content will be coming up really soon. We've been in Zion. We've done every single hike. Phenomenal. It's been amazing. Stay tuned for that video, but we just had to drop these towels on everyone because you got to get them now. But until next time, this is Tilly and Tacoma, and we hope you enjoyed this review, and we'll be dropping some content real soon. Take care.